Selena, Class 10, Chapter 22, Heights and Distances. Sum number 13. A 20-meter high vertical pole and a vertical tower on the same level ground in such a way that the angle of elevation of top of a tower as seen from the pole is 60 degree and angle of elevation of top of the pole as seen from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find, first part, the height of the tower, the horizontal distance between the pole and the tower. Let AB be the tower and CT be the pole. Given CD equal to 20 meter, angle ADB equal to 60 degree, angle CBD equal to 30 degree. In triangle BDC, CD upon BD equal to tan 30 implies BD equal to BD take cross multiply, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, CD is 20, so cross multiply BD equal to 20 root 3 meters. In triangle DBA, AB upon BD equal to tan 60 degree equal to root 3. BD is 20, cross multiply AB equal to BD root 3. BD is 20 root 3 into root 3 equal to 60 meters. AB equal to 60 meters. Hence, height of the tower is 60 meters. The horizontal distance between the pole and the tower is BD 20 root 3. 20 into 1.732 equal to 34.64 meters. Sum number 14. A vertical pole and a vertical tower are on the same level ground in such a way that from the top of the pole the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression from the bottom of the tower is 30 degree. Find, first part, the height of the tower if the height of the pole is 20 meters. Second part, the height of the pole if the height of the tower is 75 meters. Let AB be the tower and CD be the pole. Then angle ACE equal to 60 degree and angle BCE equal to 30 degree. First part, in triangle BEC, BE upon EC equal to tan 30 degree. BE is equal to DC, height of the pole, which is equal to 20 upon EC equal to tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply EC equal to 20 root 3 meters. In triangle AEC, AE upon EC equal to tan 60 degree. AE equal to EC into tan 60. EC is 20 root 3, tan 60 root 3. 20 root 3 into root 3 equal to 60 meters. Therefore, height of the tower AB is AE plus EB. 60 plus 20 equal to 80 meters. Second part, height of the tower is 75 meters. Let height of the pole be x meter. CD equal to BE equal to x. In triangle BEC, BE upon EC equal to tan 30 degree. EC equal to root 3, BE is x, so root 3x. In triangle AEC, AE upon EC equal to tan 60 degree. EB is x, AB is 75, therefore AE will be 75 minus x. 75 minus x upon EC equal to root 3. EC is root 3x. So cross multiply root 3x into root 3 is 3x. 75 minus x equal to 3x, implies x equal to x taken this side 4x. 4x equal to 75, x equal to 75 upon 4 equal to 18.75 meters. Therefore, the height of the pole is 18.75 meters. Sum number 15. From a point 36 meters above the surface of a lake, the angle of elevation of a bird observed is 30 degree and the angle of depression of the image in the water of the lake is observed to be 60 degree. Find the actual height of the bird above the surface of the lake. Let A be the point 36 meters above the surface of the lake and B be the position of the bird. B dash be the image of the bird in the water. Here AC equal to DE equal to 36 meters, angle BAE equal to 30 degree and angle B dash AE equal to 60 degree. Let BE equal to H meter. Then B dash D will be B dash since equal to BD. This BD is 36 plus H. BD equal to 36 plus H. Since B dash is the image of B above D, therefore B dash D and BD are equal. Okay, now we want to find B dash E. B dash E is equals to B dash D plus DE. B dash D is 36 plus H plus 36, which is equal to 72 plus H. So B dash E equal to 72 plus H. Let that be equation 1. In triangle ABE, BE upon AE equal to tan 30 degree, implies AE equal to root 3 H. Let that be equation 2. In triangle AB dash E, B dash E upon AE equal to tan 60 degree. B dash E is 72 plus H upon AE, tan 60 is root 3 from 1. AE is root 3H. Root 3H into root 3 is 3H. 72 plus H equal to 3H. 2H equal to 72, H equal to 36 meters. Hence, the actual height of the bird above the surface of the lake is 36 plus 36 equal to 72 meters. Sum number 16. A man observes the angle of elevation of the top of a building to be 30 degree. He walks towards it in a horizontal line through its base. On covering 60 meter, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degree. Find the height of the building. Correct to the nearest meter. Let AB be the building and M and N be the 2 point position of the man, which makes angle of elevation to the top of the building as 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Mn equal to 60 meters. Let AB equal to H and NB equal to X meters. Now in triangle AMB, tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon MB. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 equal to AB H MB is X plus 60. X plus 60. Cross multiply 60 plus X equal to root 3H. X minus root 3X H equal to 60. Let that be equation 1. Yeah. sorry, this is wrong. This will be x equal to root 3h minus 60. Let that be equation 1. Similarly, in triangle ANB, tan 60 equal to AB upon NB. Tan 60 equal to h upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to h upon x. X equal to root h root 3. Here x equal to root 3h minus 60. So from 1 and 2 we have root 3h minus 60 equal to h root 3. Multiply by root 3 on all the sides, we get 3h minus 60 root 3 equal to h. 3h minus h equal to 60 root 3 taken this side, minus 60 will become plus 60 root 3. 2h equal to 60 root 3, h equal to 60 root 3 upon 2, which is equal to 30 root 3, equal to 30 into 1.732, which is equal to 51.96 meters. We want answer to nearest meters. Therefore, 51.96 meters will become 52. Height of the building is equal to 52 meters.